Careers Zone YouTube channel. So here we will be giving you an regular updates regarding job openings pan India and as well as pan world. So please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching this video. Next job number 42. Role will be junior data scientist. Company name Dents Inc. Location was Bangalore. 1 to 3 years experience they are asking. Up to 10 lakh salary will be providing. So you can connect to this provided email ID. Okay friends. Job number 43. Role will be junior HR recruiter. Company will be Smart Shop Private Limited. Job location work from home, Noida, Indore, Bangalore, Mumbai. So requirement freshers. Salary will be 3 lakh per annum, 3 lakh to 8 lakh plus benefits. Okay, we have provided the contact number. You can directly contact to them for the more details. Job number 44. Oracle JDE technical developer. XM Digitech company name. Location will be Bangalore, Hyderabad and Pune. 6+ years experience they are expecting and salary up to 12 lakh per annum, and we have provided the email ID. You can directly drop your resume to this email ID friends. Now moving to next job. Job number 45. Role personal secretary. Company IT company. Job location Bangalore. Requirements freshers to 3 to 4 years experience they are expecting. 20k per month. So salary will be very less. So before applying, just see your needs and apply for this job. Okay friends, we have provided the email ID. Now moving to next job number 46. So role will be recruiter, means HR recruiter only again. So company name IT company. Location remote pan India, means work from home opportunity. This is freshers experience BA BCom BSc students can apply. 3 lakh to 7 lakh per annum they will be providing salary, and we have provided the contact number. Okay, moving to next job 47. Job number 47. Role will be social media manager, marketing executive. Company name Toyos. Location will be Bangalore. So recruitment freshers are welcome. Salary up to 5 lakh per annum they are offering. We have provided the email ID to contact the HR. Okay friends, so please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching this video.